So you want to start content creating, maybe daily vlogs, maybe travel videos, whatever, but you're unsure what equipment to get because it's an absolute minefield of options. Well, this got me thinking, what setup would I buy today if I was starting all over again with nothing that offers the best overall value and makes the process of vlogging super easy? Well, it's this one here. Now before I reveal what camera this is, let me tell you the reasons why. I believe there's 7 fundamentals to making an excellent vlogging camera. These are image quality, audio quality, stabilization, size and weight, usability and durability, features, and also price. So taking all of these factors into account, and if I was to start afresh, what camera would I be choosing? Well, like I said, it's this one here, so let me reveal it to you. And this is the Insta360 X5, and in my opinion there's no better camera out there at the moment if you're getting started on your content creating journey. But what is it about the Insta360 X5 that makes it the perfect vlogging camera? Well, let me take you somewhere new and show you. That's the world's shittest transition. Let me do that again. So we've made it onto the canal here at Camden Market. Now, obviously this is the X5, Insta360 X5, and yes, it's a 360 camera. But why is this the ultimate vlogging camera? Well, like I say, it is a 360 camera, but what many people don't tell you is it doesn't have to be used as a 360 camera. That's right, you can use it as a normal camera, switching between the lenses whenever you want to record. That's exactly right, this camera has 2 lenses, and when they're paired up, obviously this makes it a 360 camera, but they can be used independently of each other, and you can use the camera just as you would any other camera. So this is it recording with the forward facing camera towards myself, and obviously I'll lose that ability to have 360 mode, but I can also change it to front facing camera also, just like this. And again, we're just using this now as a normal standard camera. It doesn't need to be used as a 360 camera. But the real reason that I recommend the Insta360 X5 is for its 360 capabilities, which means we're always in shot no matter where the camera's pointing. It could be over here, up here, over here, even up here, down there, anywhere we like, and we're always in shot. We don't have to worry about whether we're in the frame or not, because in post we're going to make sure we are. That's exactly right, because this is a 360 camera. When it comes time to video edit, you get to choose which way the camera's facing, its field of view, and also the angle. And if that wasn't enough, you also get to change the aspect ratio so that you can upload your video to your favourite social media platform. It's also worth me pointing out that the software comes included, and you can use it on your phone, tablet, laptop or PC. And that's what makes it such a versatile camera, having that option to switch to single lens mode when you want to lock off your frame to get shots like this, or being able to switch to 360 mode when you want freedom of movement. Let me ask you this question. How many times have you recorded a video clip only later to find that your framing wasn't quite as good as you hoped? I know I've done it hundreds of times. Well, with the X5 you can adjust, reframe and alter as many times as you like. The original recorded file isn't ever overwritten. Whereas with a conventional camera you're stuck with what you shot, the X5 opens up a whole new world of post-editing possibilities. Now if you don't like the idea that you have to reframe yourself every time in post, what you can do is turn on Insta360's smart tracking called InstaFrame 2.0. All you have to do is select a subject on the screen like this, and then the camera will start tracking your movement. And it's absolutely freezing out here, so I'm going to head off home. It also has built-in Insta360's low light mode, which is called pure video, but when the lighting conditions are not ideal. Where other cameras begin to fall down and struggle in difficult lighting conditions, the X5 with that low light pure video mode continues to impress. The other thing that makes this camera so superb is Insta360's built-in stabilisation, which is called flow state. Let me demonstrate it to you. Out the way, I need the toilet! And there's only one thing really to say about Insta360's stabilisation, and it is absolutely incredible. Whether that be vlogging, running or cycling, every time I use the camera, the stabilisation absolutely blows my mind. The other great thing is it also works with Insta360's wireless microphone, making sure that your audio sounds absolutely fantastic. And one of its coolest features is the built-in hyperapse. Let me show you that now. You simply put the X5 into hyperapse mode and record how you normally would, and then use the Insta360 Studio to add keyframes to add movement into your scene. And it makes it appear like you've created this really complex movie scene, when really the X5 and Insta360 Studio has done all the work for you. And this hyperapse that you're watching at the moment took me under 2 minutes to create. You can also put the X5 into time-lapse mode and record up to 11K, yes you heard that right, 11K time lapses. And the great thing also is this camera comes very discreet. All you have to do is throw it over your shoulder and nobody knows you're actually recording. That's right, all I've got is the X5 on a selfie stick and thrown it over my shoulder just like so, and everyone is oblivious to the fact that I'm actually recording. This is a great way of recording out in public if you're a little bit self-conscious and you don't want the attention on yourself when you're out filming. Remembering also you get to reframe the shot when it comes time to editing. Or you can have it low down by your side, again it's very discreet. And just like before, this is a very discreet method if you're self-conscious about recording out in public. Just walking with a camera with a selfie stick at waist level and nobody's aware that you're actually recording, again remembering that you can reframe in post. So out of all the cameras I own, if I was just starting out with nothing again, the camera I would be choosing 100%, no question, is the Insta360 X5. It's as durable and waterproof as an action camera, has incredible features and all the benefits of a 360 camera. It doesn't suffer with overheating and fits into your pocket without the fear of breaking. It also has replaceable batteries and incredible image quality. It also fits into pretty much any vlogging scenario where other cameras are limited. So if you are just starting out on your content creating journey, the camera that I recommend is the Insta360 X5. Now if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see future videos from myself, hit that subscribe button also, and we'll catch up in that next video. See you soon everyone.